Hu vhonala u sa khou swikelelwa nyanḓano khoroni ya tshikolo tsha Danie Malan School. Vhabebi vha khou tou rwisa ṱhoho na fhasi nga murahu u pfa muambeli wa muhasho wa pfunzo Vho Steve Mabona vha tshi khou imelela zwo ḓiṅwalisela nga kha online.
Anger must be understood where it's coming from. I mean, if people are angry, you need to just listen and make sure that you respond to that.
The number of placements is not an effective measure.
Are you going to prioritize them?
All the time.
No, the school is full. There's no one.
Not at this school, maybe at other schools. Not at this school, maybe at other schools.
Yes, everyone is going to be placed.
We've got the stats. We went to district yesterday. We've got the stats. We don't have the information.
Tell the truth. Tell the truth. Tell the truth. Tell the truth. Tell the truth.
Fedzi zwe vhamba a zwi ngo ṱanganedzwa nga muya mutshena.
On the basis of facts. We had a meeting with his office about even the online system that he's saying. He's not in control. There's over 400 and something learners here in Pretoria North that are not placed. We've been engaging with the school for the past 4 years. We even sent a memorandum with the issues of racism 2 years ago.
Vhabebi vha khou pomoka vha tshikolo itshi uri vhana tshitalula nga muvhala nga murahu musi vha songo ṱanganedza vhagudiswa vho no amba luambo lwa tshiisimane kha murole wa u thoma.
I've been here for almost 7 years. This is the 7th year when I'm a part of the family. I've never realized or maybe saw any discrimination or anything. Even there's nothing which I can say even much, but what I can promise you is that one thing which I know is that my child is in the safe hands.
For as long as we're fighting each other, we're not fighting the system. We need to find the solution to fighting the system. I'm not saying that the system is perfect. I'm saying that how do we better it? How do we make the opportunities equal?
Vhakhorombusi ya tshikolo vho bvisa tshitatamennde tsha uri tshikolo a tshi na vhuḓifhinduleli ha u ṱanganedza vhagudiswa vha grade 1 fhedzi zwoṱhe zwe zwanḓani zwa vha muhasho wa pfunzo vunḓuni ḽa Gauteng. Mapholisa vha khou ḓibvela phanḓa na u vhona uri ho tsireledzea.